This video is an installation guide for a domestic refrigerator. We will cover 5 main steps: planning the space, connecting the power, leveling the unit, connecting the water, and starting the fridge. When planning your space, ensure adequate airflow. Do not block the space around the refrigerator so that heat can escape. Leave at least 1 inch, 25 millimeters on top, 1 inch, 25 millimeters on the side, and 2 inches, 50 millimeters behind the unit. Confirm that the doors can swing open at least 90 degrees to allow drawers to pull out easily. Measure the space to ensure the drawers will not hit any surrounding counters or walls. For power, only use a grounded, dedicated wall socket rated for 15 to 20 amps. Never use extension cords, as they can be a fire hazard. If your refrigerator has an ice maker or water dispenser, you will need a 1/4 inch water supply line. Use either copper or PEX tubing. Ensure your water pressure is between 20 and 120 psi. After unboxing, if you had to tilt the fridge for transport or placement, wait 24 hours before plugging it in. This allows the compressor oil to settle properly. Now, we will level the refrigerator side to side. Adjust the front legs so that the bubble on your level is perfectly in the middle. Next, adjust the tilt from front to back. The front should be 1/4 inch, 6 millimeters, higher than the back. This slight backward tilt ensures the doors close automatically. To connect the water, first, flush 2 minutes of water through the line into a bucket to clean out any debris. Then, connect the line to the back of the refrigerator and check for leaks. Plug the refrigerator into the wall socket. Listen closely. You should hear the fan and the compressor hum, indicating the unit is powered on and running. A refrigerator works by removing heat to create cold. It takes hot air from inside, sends it over coolant coils, and expels the heat out the back of the unit. For the first run, keep the refrigerator empty. Wait 12 hours for the temperature to stabilize, aiming for 3 degrees Celsius, 37 degrees Fahrenheit in the fridge, and -18 degrees Celsius, 0 degrees Fahrenheit in the freezer. To clean the water system, throw away the first batch of ice and the first 2 gallons of dispensed water. This removes any dust or residue from the filters and lines. For maintenance, clean the condenser coils once a year using a vacuum. Also, regularly clean the door seals with soap and water to ensure a proper seal. To complete the installation, ensure you have checked 4 things: proper space and ventilation, side-to-side level and back tilt, flushed water lines, and that the fridge is cold after a 12-hour wait. Installation is now complete.